What if I told you the real way to make someone regret losing you has nothing to do with them and everything to do with you? In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them feel they lost deeply. No games, no manipulation, just pure, undeniable power. Let's get into it. Step 1. Go completely silent. The biggest mistake people make after a breakup? Keeping the door open, whether it's checking in, staying friends, or subtly trying to remind them what they lost, all of it screams one thing: I'm still here if you change your mind. And that kills regret instantly. If you want them to feel your absence, then give it to them fully. No texts, no calls, no accidental run-ins. Silence isn't just an absence, it's a statement. It tells them, you made your choice, now live with it. Step 2. Become unrecognizable. Here's what no one tells you. People don't regret losing you. They regret losing the version of you they can't have anymore. If you're the same person, doing the same things, in the same emotional state they left you in, there's nothing to miss. But when you start leveling up, when you become someone so evolved, so confident, so undeniably attractive, they won't just miss you, they'll wonder if they ever even knew you. Hit the gym, upgrade your style, chase the goals you put on hold. Not for them, for you. Because the moment you shift into someone better than they ever imagined, that's when the regret starts to hit. Step 3. Let them see you winning, but never explain. Nothing triggers regret faster than seeing someone thrive without you. But here's the key: don't rub it in. Let them find out naturally. Post that picture, but don't direct it at them. Be seen enjoying your life, but never try to make them notice. Because when they do notice, and trust me they will, they'll realize something painful. You didn't just move on, you upgraded. When they see that you're more confident, more in control, and living at a level they never thought possible, they won't just regret losing you. They'll realize they lost something they can never get back, and that is how you win.